Hello there, my name is David Thompson. I want to share with you about what I have discovered to be the most powerful anti-aging machine as well as sleep machine that is affordable. It is also very portable. What I'm going to be sharing with you will amaze you. I you would think it would be too good to be true, but I'm going to back up everything I share by taking you to the solid scientific sources that reveal that it is so. First of all, I just want to point out to you that this device is able to pull you into a very deep sleep by entraining your brain waves from the high frequency theta all the way down to the deep delta slow brainwave waves. In fact, when I first purchased this device, I was amazed at how deeply I was sleeping and especially at the multitude of dreams I was having. I usually rarely dreamed. But when I had this device bathing me while I was sleeping in very powerful anti-aging waves, the benefits were amazing in the area of sleep. They have shown by scientific testing that magnetic square waves are the most powerful at entraining the brain into deep sleep. Of course, the Earth emanates a pulse of 9.6 hertz, which was discovered by Dr. Robert Becker, who is a medical doctor and was an exceptionally good scientist. He discovered that when he put two poles 20 feet apart, 20 feet deep into the earth and measured to seek, and then he sought to get the frequencies, he discovered this frequency of 9.6 hertz. Well, NASA later on discovered that 10 hertz, which is basically the 9.6 hertz frequency, was a golden bell of health. Well, I'm going to go and show you all of these things. In fact, the first thing I'm going to show you is what happens when this 10 hertz square wave frequency, or 9.6, which is even more beneficial and is the same as what the Earth emanates, what it does to plants and fish. It causes them to grow twice the size that they would normally grow. And I will show you the pictures of this. I will back everything I share up with the scientific evidence. And you can be bathed in these same waves that have multifaceted anti-aging benefits, as well as pulling you into deep sleep. Now, before I show you this, I just want to minimize the screen here, and I will just take you there. So, here we go. The first thing I want to show you is the plants, I believe. So I'll find the folder that has the links to the plants here very quickly. So you can see for yourself that this device that I purchased, which is not super expensive, it's affordable. Most PEMF devices do not have these healthy frequencies, or if they do, they often carry the unhealthy frequencies as well, which are above 15 hertz. And they cost usually in a range between $1,000 and $22,000. This device only cost $699. This is what this device did to a fish while it's growing. It caused the fish to grow twice the size. I'll show you what happened to plants. They got examples of plants here as well. That's the little thing that emanates the waves right there. It's being exposed to something here. I didn't even notice this one on here. On grow houses can now grow giants. In the above picture, 6 hours of 9.6 hertz PMF made plant to the left 2 times larger, 3 times tomatoes plus, 3 times more tomatoes plus, resistant to fungi and bugs. That's amazing. Being exposed to this sleeping device that I'm using. Now, the same happened here. Look at this. Seeds and beans are soaked and spreaded under the influence of the Earth Pulse PEMF growing system, which is the same system that's used to pull you into deep sleep and it bathes you in the same waves. What's the result? Yield of mung bean sprouts was nearly doubled by weight, while yield of alfalfa sprouts increased by 42%. Taste was also significantly enhanced. Now, if you think that this is just not true, I've just shown you an experiment that shows what it does to these fish, done by the company that manufactures these. Now, let me show you NASA's experiment that took place in 2003 called Goodwin, where they discovered that the 10 hertz square wave frequency, when they were experimenting with, I guess, trying to give similar conditions to what's on the Earth to the astronauts, they discovered that this 10 hertz square wave frequency was a golden bell of health. Let me take you to the NASA's website, where they have the experiment for you to look at for yourself here. So I'm taking you to it. This is the actual experiment. And I will take you to the exact something amazing in this and back it up. I've got the number 150 there, because 150 genes associated with growth and cellular proliferation that caused you to become younger were turned on, as well as 175 maturation genes were turned off that accelerate towards the aging process. Well, they found quadruple results in many things with the 10 hertz square wave frequency compared to the other healthy frequencies ranging from 0 up to 14.1 hertz. They also have healthy benefits, but not like this. I mean, the list of the benefits is too much to name here that they discovered. I mean, the nerves tend to grow together far better. The response to respond quickly to things, to be coordinated, is far superior. And the list goes on. And I have, of course, in these folders here, just a bit of each of these folders are named with the list, with the benefits and links to those benefits. The athletic benefits are very significant with this, because what this is like, what it is it addresses the very root cause of aging, really, which is in the mitochondria of the cells. The mitochondria are the energy producers of our cells. There's usually about 70 to 1,000 mitochondria, those cylinders that are in our cells, that produce energy. Well, what happens when you're exposed to the 9.6 hertz frequency in this device? Is this like a mechanic going to the mitochondria and giving the engine a tune-up and giving the engine a total cleaning? The result is the mitochondria are far healthier, produce far more energy, which is converted into healing power while you sleep, so that your body is far more anabolic as opposed to catabolic, which means to tear down as opposed to build up. So it's far more going in the direction of greater youthfulness as opposed to being torn down towards destructive pathways that lead toward disease. So you get that while you're sleeping. It entrains your brain. It pulls your brain into deep sleep. Protects you from electromagnetic field pollution, which is the exposure to high wave, not square wave necessarily, but high wave frequencies from our phones, cell phones, or computers, and so many other things that damage the mitochondria and are a major factor in causing cancer. The major discovery recently was that the degradation of the mitochondria are the root cause of cancer. How does that happen? They are degraded by high frequency wireless waves, but more than anything by sugar. That's what they discovered. And when they're degraded, they send out distress signals to the nucleus of the cell, which in turn sends out distress signals to other parts of the cell to try to cause it to produce more energy. These distress signals damage the genetics in the cell, causing it to become cancerous. So this is very powerful to protect you against all of this exposure to all these high frequency square waves that can cause cancer and many other damages to your health. Frequencies above 15 hertz cause the cortisol, the stress hormone, which is also known as the death hormone because it has so many destructive pathways when it's not released at the right time, which is fight and flight times. That is another important thing to consider. And of course, when you have cortisol, because you're getting exposed to all these frequencies and not protected from them, the result is that the increase in cortisol, the stress hormone, increases fat and weight. You want to lose weight? Bring your cortisol down. I don't know how many of you know about earthing, but there are cardiologists on the internet that I can take you to in these folders and let you watch, but I want this to be a shorter video, that are all excited about earthing. That's where your body is in physical contact with the earth, because it brings a charge into your body that causes a powerful zeta charge in the blood cells, so all the blood cells are spaced properly apart, so the blood is in better quality, it flows better, and there's many other benefits to earthing. You can just take a conductive cloth, put it into the ground wire, and have it wrapped around your leg or whatever, and you're going to get some benefits from that. But this is like earthing on steroids. The benefits are far superior. So you're looking at something that's really powerful. If you have sleep problems or insomnia problems, you'll sleep far better. You're looking at something that's very powerful to cause you to have a significant physical revolution in your life that could change even where you end up in your life with a far greater destiny, because you'll have far more energy to do more. And so I'm glad I could share this good information with you. Just go to the links that will be below this video, or if you're on my website, all the links to all the research to where you can purchase it. And you can also sell it if you want to purchase it, like I am doing on the internet. And they give a very good price for selling it. And it doesn't matter where you go, you're going to buy it at the same price, whether it's through my links or through going to the company site. They sell it all at the same price. So I didn't show you the device at the end. I better do that quickly. Here it is. It's right now running in alert mode to keep me alert while I'm at my computer. I'm 68 years old. Here it is. It emanates from this heavy little device there. And you can put it under your bed at night. You should put it between the box spring and the mattress. If you have it under the pillow, it's too close. It can cause problems sometimes for some people there. But between the box spring and the mattress, it is excellent. So you'll get fully bathed. And I'm not going to go into showing you the vibration that's happening right here. I guess I could try, but it's... Oops, there's a little nail on there. I didn't notice that. Oh boy. It's too hard to... But if you can see it right now, it's vibrating at that frequency, that little device. I don't know if it's going to pick up on the video, but it is vibrating. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.